In a world filled with challenges and uncertainties, the need was never greater for heroes to emerge from the shadows and walk among us today. This December, the annual NJ Dawah conference has decided to make that a reality. An entire weekend dedicated to exploring Islam's heroes past and present, drawing from their incredible commitment and conviction in Allah and His Messenger, peace be upon him. Join us as we walk in their shoes and immerse ourselves in their captivating journeys of faith, courage, sacrifice, resilience, and inspiration. Bring your family and friends to renew their certainty in the prophets and companions being rightfully celebrated as the greatest heroes ever. Bring them to gain a deeper understanding of how Allah creates heroes in every age and in all shapes and sizes to positively impact those around them. Year after year, NJ Dawah grows its capacity to offer jam-packed weekends designed for both the young and old to learn from scholars, participate in interactive workshops, connect with like-minded individuals, and shop from our array of Muslim vendors. So mark your calendars and register on our website today. Don't miss the chance to honor our heroes today and help inspire the heroes of tomorrow. لا تبالي فالمعالي بالتحدي لا سواه بالتحدي لا سواه